Here we will solve some numericals on simple microscope, and we will use the formula that m is equal to 1 plus d divided by f for finding the magnification. Here m is the magnification or magnifying power of a simple microscope. This d is the distance of distinct vision, and f is the focal length of a convex lens. So let us start with this first numerical. Here, what must be the focal length of a lens used as a simple microscope of magnifying power 26? The final image is formed at distance of distinct vision. Here, magnification of the simple microscope is given, that is m is equal to 26. It is given, and we have to find the focal length of the lens. We will apply this formula. We know that as the final image is formed at distance of distinct vision, so here d is equal to, we already know that d is the distance of distinct vision and its value is 25 centimeter. So magnifying power of a simple microscope m is equal to 1 plus d by f. This implies, here it is given that m is equal to 26. 26 is equal to 1 plus d is the distance of distinct vision, 25 divided by f, or this implies 25 divided by f is equal to 26 minus 1, so this is equal to 25. Hence f is equal to 1 centimeter. This is the answer. Now the second problem. Here the question is, a simple microscope is a combination of two lenses in contact of powers 15 diopter and 5 diopter. Calculate the magnifying power of the microscope if the final image is formed at 25 centimeter from the eye. So here two lenses, both are convex lenses, are combined together. So here power of one lens is equal to 15 diopter and power of another lens is equal to 5 diopter. We know that power of combination is equal to sum of the individual powers. So it is the power of the combination. This is equal to P1 plus P2. So this is equal to 15 diopter plus 5 diopter. So this is equal to 20 diopter. Now focal length of the combination. So focal length of the combination we know that F is equal to 1 divided by P. So here power of the combination is 20 diopter. So 1 divided by 20. So this is equal to 0.05 meter. So this is equal to then 0.05 meter. So this is equal to 5 centimeter. Now question is about the magnifying power of the microscope. We know the formula of the magnifying power. M is equal to 1 plus D divided by F. So 1 plus, here D is the distance of distinct vision, so 25 divided by 5. So this is equal to 1 plus 5. So this is equal to 6. So this one is the answer. So magnifying power of the sample microscope will be 6. Now the last numerical. Calculate the magnifying power of a magnifying lens of focal length 0.1 meter. Here the distance of distinct vision is 0.25 meter. Now we have to find the magnifying power. Here the focal length of the lens is given, that is 0.1 meter, and distance of distinct vision D is equal to 0.25 meter. We have to find the magnification. We know that magnification of a simple microscope, M is equal to 1 plus D divided by F. This is equal to 1 plus 0.25 divided by 0.1. This is equal to 1 plus 2.5. So this is equal to 3.5. So the magnification AM is equal to 3.5.